miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Portsmouth, Wheelersburg, New Boston, South Webster, Rosemount, Clarktown, Lucasville, Sciotadale, Beaver, Wakefield, Lombardsville, Stockdale, Minford, West Portsmouth, Sciotaville, State Route 335 at State Route 776, Turkey Creek Lake, Gibbons, McDermott and Portsmouth Regional Airport.
KJY69 would be going off right now. Since I missed it, this was a severe thunderstorm warning for Pike and Scioto counties.